Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.
Every day you see the sky, it looks blue, then it turns dark. But here's the question. Is the sky really changing or is something else moving? Let us find out. Hi explorers, I am Lily. I am a curious scientist. I love questions that make us stop and think. Today we are uncovering two big secrets about our sky. First, why does the sky look blue? Second, why does day always turn into night? And how light and earth work together to make it happen. The sun sends light to Earth. This light looks white, but white light is a mix of many colors. When sunlight hits the air around Earth, it spreads. This spreading is called scattering. Scattering means light bouncing in many directions. Blue light spreads more than other colors. That is why the sky looks blue when you look up. Now let us look at day and night. Earth is always spinning. Spinning means turning slowly around. When your side of Earth faces the sun, it is daytime. When Earth turns away, it becomes nighttime. The sun does not move around us. Earth moves. When Earth spins in sunlight, the sky looks blue. When Earth turns away, the sky turns dark. The sky changes because Earth moves through light. This happens every day, even when we are asleep. Think about this. If Earth stopped spinning, one side would never see the night, the other would never see the day. Our sky depends on motion. The sky is blue because blue light spreads. We have day and night because Earth spins. Light and movement shape what we see. You just explored how our planet works. Keep asking real questions and keep observing the world. And always follow the road where curiosity leads the way. Follow Mini Docs for Kids for more.